It's time for Reggie Smith Baseball Japan. We'll show you what's that Major League way. Let's check this out.
Enough to watch this young man since he started for the Nationals at 19 years old. And the thing about it, there's already been great evolution in the way he's played. He started by running into every wall, going up trying to swing 100 miles an hour at every point. And last year he kind of got it under the hood and figured out how to get it done. And when he walks up to the plate, right now, there's maybe 3-5 players in baseball that you have to be in your seat. You have to watch his at-bat because you never know what's going to happen. And I remember watching on TV last year when he had that 3-home run game, and every player that was